Valais isn't just about alpine beauty and rural landscapes. It has another equally impressive side as the home of high-tech, inventive enterprise. Innovation has long been a way of life in this canton, and that, combined with a stunning natural environment, makes it a highly attractive place to come and work.
We know that in Silicon Valley, for instance, a lot of companies offer game rooms so that people can free up their mind and then get back to work with being completely focused on their working activities. We don't need such a game room in Valais. Basically, you just get out of the office and you have all what you expect to free up your mind. And really, we offer the best working conditions for companies that are looking for highly motivated people, skilled people, and that need to really work on high-level activities.
The Ark Foundation offers companies a range of facilities to help develop and expand. It deals with 3 sectors: ICT, life sciences, and engineering sciences. The Ark operates on 6 different sites, and together they provide a comprehensive range of services. The foundation is still expanding, but already it's playing a crucial part in keeping Valais at the forefront of innovation.
Well, first we have the right network of academical research institute, as well as a University of Applied Science or Swiss Federal Institute of Technology that are already located in Valais and that can offer all what high-tech companies expect in terms of technology transfer opportunities and so on, and that's very important for such companies. So we have the right environment. In addition to that, what we do offer as well is a right location that is possible nearby those research institutes. All those locations are named the Ark within a network of locations that host office space, that can provide as well equipment, as well as some coaching and financing possibilities to high-tech companies wishing to locate here.
Many businesses have already received support from the Ark. IdeArk, the branch devoted to biotech businesses, is located right next to the Monte chemical site. One of the young companies it has helped develop is called XLgene. It operates in a highly specialized field, the production of recombinant proteins that are used in the treatment of several diseases.
We knew there was a market in the US that was not that much developed in Europe. Still today, we are getting into the same development as in US, and we believe that XLgene was a big contributor to bring this technology here in Switzerland.
The company started as a spin-off of École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne with just 3 employees. Today it has 25 and generates a small profit.
Get in terms of equipment for the next stage.
These large reactors were built in partnership with another company. They enable XLgene to produce industrial quantities of cells that are used, amongst other things, for research into cancer and arthritis. XLgene has had no trouble finding the personnel it needs right on its doorstep.
We are actually very well served with basically in this area of the 2 main schools, the EPFL in Lausanne and the University of Applied Sciences in Sion, where we can get very highly skilled young students who have just finished their studies and are looking for a job.
Massimo Nobile from IdeArk is convinced that Valais has much to offer emerging companies. That help is provided in different, specific ways.
Basically, we provide 2 kinds of help for companies. One that is obvious is the infrastructure. We have flexible labs, flexible offices. A company can arrive and start quickly their activities. The second kind of help is basically coaching that is slightly more complex. We help entrepreneurs to transform scientific discoveries into products and essentially to reach the market.
High-tech facilities are spread all over the canton from one end of the valley to the other. Sierre is home to TechnoArk, a facility dedicated to information technology and communications. In Martigny, you'll find IdeArk, which deals with multimedia data management. It currently has a dozen startups within its walls. TechnoArk in Comté is the most recent incubator to be set up. It's designed to cater for startups in cosmetics and phytopharmacology. Its location is ideal to make full use of the precious active ingredients contained in plants that are grown in the area. Recently, IdeArk organized a competition for young entrepreneurs. 11 teams came from all over the world and spent 2 weeks in Martigny. The task was to bring a commercial project to fruition. The reward, a cash prize of 10,000 francs. But, according to the competition's organizer, that wasn't the only motivation.
First of all, probably it's money. But I have talked with some of them and they said, well, you know, it's not only money, it's also network. Because here we can meet a lot of interesting people, for instance, researchers, and their activities, their products are linked with the IdeArk Research Institute. Now they can create new relationship with our researcher, and this is very interesting because in the future they can maybe improve their product thanks to our technologies.
The value of relationships and dialogue soon became evident to the competing teams, as did the guidance provided by IdeArk's coaches. Shared experience is the key to progress. You always need support when you launch a business. You need a lot of advice, a lot of help. In fact, you need to be helped by as many people as possible. The ICC is a perfect framework because you meet lots of coaches and advisors and many people who have the same problems to solve. As far as Valais is concerned, innovation remains an excellent investment. The startups of today can turn into tomorrow's world leaders, bringing revenue, expertise and cutting-edge jobs to the canton.
We want to attract the companies that are looking for the highly educated people to develop their value-added activities from Valais. And in that, I'm sure we are able to offer a win-win partnership with such companies. I'm convinced that Valais offers the right and best conditions for foreign companies to expand into Valais, Switzerland, Europe and the world.
The Ark launched in 2004. Since then, 230 companies have taken advantage of Valais' unique blend of beauty and skills and helped make the canton one of the most dynamic and modern locations in the world.